Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce our project, EcoGuard Bamboo Powered pH Controlled Water Purifier. We are a team of five, which includes Mohammad Anshid, Meera Rajesh, Farih, Aditi, Navaneet of CV Raman team. EcoGuard is a bamboo-powered pH-controlled water purifier designed especially for rural communities. Our goal was simple yet ambitious: to make safe, clean, accessible water to everyone using only natural and sustainable materials. This project reflects the Buildathlon spirit, turning innovative ideas into practical, real-world solution that protects both people and the planet. Contents include introduction, project overview, implementation elements, build steps, potential extensions for winning pitches. The Buildathlon encourages us to think beyond conventional engineering to design something eco-friendly, affordable, and impactful. In rural regions, people often face water scarcity and contamination problems. Many rely on groundwater that's not just dirty but also has unbalanced pH levels. Our team wanted to tackle this using design thinking, combining creativity, sustainability, and science. The result was EcoGuard, a natural low-cost purifier that works without power and teaches users to monitor their water quality visually. EcoGuard Water Sentinel. EcoGuard is portable bamboo filtration tower that purifies water and balance its pH. The system uses gravity flow, so no electricity is required. Inside the bamboo are natural filter layers, including charcoal made from bamboo itself, which traps metal and bacteria. At the outlet, color-changing bamboo test strips made with plant dyes instantly show if the water is safe. It's smart, sustainable, and user-friendly, blending traditional knowledge with modern innovation. Key features. EcoGuard stands out for its simplicity and impact. It purifies sediments and pathogens, stabilizes pH between 6.5 and 8.5, and all for under rupees 500 per unit. It is 100% biodegradable, portable, and can be built by anyone using basic tools. Most importantly, it helps rural communities gain control over their water quality, promoting awareness, health, and environmental stability. Innovation and impact. The innovation in EcoGuard lies merging nature with engineering. Instead of using expensive sensors or chemical, we rely on plant-based dyes, bamboo charcoal, and natural buffers. The project directly supports UN Sustainable Development Goal 6, clean water and sanitation, aiming to ensure safe water for all. Beyond individual household, EcoGuard can be scaled to small communities or schools, providing clean water access while promoting eco-consciousness. Implementation: bamboo filtration. Bamboo serves as both structure and the filter. We use vertically arranged bamboo sticks wrapped in cloth. The charred inner surface forms bamboo charcoal, which act like activated carbon, removing heavy metals and impurities. The filtration works purely through gravity, needing no electricity. After its use, every part of EcoGuard can be composted, ensuring zero waste. This makes it an eco-friendly, environmentally complete cycle from nature back to nature. Natural dyes for pH monitoring. To make EcoGuard interactive and educational, we use natural pH indicators. From plants, red garbage dye changes from purple to pink in acidic water and green in alkaline conditions. Turmeric turns reddish in basic water. We embed these dyes bamboo strips near the outlets, so you build plan. Our prototype can be built over a single weekend. On day 1, we collect bamboo, prepare dyes, and assemble the tower. On day 2, we test and calibrate the pH using simple samples. The only tools needed are knife and glue gun, making it ideal for community workshops or student projects. The total cost stays under 500, providing the sustainability doesn't need to be expensive. Conclusion. To conclude, EcoGuard is more than a water purifier. It is a symbol of sustainable innovation. By using simple, natural resources, we can solve complex problems in a way that's affordable, educational, and environmentally responsible. EcoGuard embodies the idea that real change starts with simple genius, using what's around us to build a better, cleaner world. Thank you.